Hey guys, welcome back to Quick Assist. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to share a video on YouTube that you like, that maybe is informative or useful, and you thought of somebody you want to share it to, and you're going to send it by email. So this is all you have to do. So whatever video you find, say it is about cleaning your AirPods, all you have to do is on the bottom, you will see the share button. Go ahead and push that. And then it'll give you different options. It'll give you options like, WhatsApp, Facebook, and all that. Then you have to link these apps to your YouTube on your computer. But then we're working with a MacBook here. So I'm gonna go ahead and push copy. And once I push copy, go ahead and go to your email that you're using. So I'm typing to this friend, and then I'm writing new cool video, fix AirPod problem that this friend's having. And then you could just go ahead, and then all you have to do is push the Control V, or you can push, here, let me show you, Control V right here, and then that will paste the link, or you can go to and press Control and click with the trackpad and then push paste, and then that will also put the link onto the onto the email. So that's all you have to do. All right, so I hope this video helps. Please like or comment, subscribe. I appreciate it. See you next time. Bye-bye.